What's up, my peeps? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm gonna cook ackee and saltfish with dumpling, yam, and banana. Hope I get to go on the Elaine show to cook ackee and saltfish with dumpling, yam, and banana. Okay, so that's my ackee. Today I'm gonna use tin ackee, and there you go. That's my saltfish. So I rinse off my saltfish with fresh water, and then I boil it. Boil it for like 5 minutes or so, and then I pick it up and I start getting my season prepared, like my tomato, my onion and pepper. And then the next thing I do is fry up my saltfish and I let it get color, had a little brown look to it, and then I apply the seasonings. Also, I put a little Maggi all-purpose in it because I cook Maggi, almost anything with Maggi all-purpose. Then I strain off my ackee while my seasoning is getting colored. I put it, I open the ackee, I strain it off, I put it in a bowl while the seasoning is getting ready. Then I put the season one side into the pot, and then I apply the ackee on the other side. Then I put the seasoning over the ackee because the ackee already cooked in the tin and I don't want it to get soft, too soft, because it's already soft, it cooked. So that's what I do. I apply the season over the ackee, and then it get to the season get to go down and soak into the ackee. Tastes really good, guys. Then I apply a little black pepper and just let it cook up for maybe another 3-4 minutes, and that's it. It's all done. So there you have it. That's my ackee and saltfish. It's as simple as that. And then I start preparing my yam and banana and dumpling. So what I do, I put on a pot with some fresh water. I put a little salt into it. I start making my dough, and with flour and cornmeal. And there you go. That's my dough, and then I start making my dumpling. When this pot start boiling, I add my dumpling to the pot, and then I start cleaning up my bananas. I cut off the bottom, I cut off the top, and I wash them. I mark them. So when I mark them, it gets to peel off pretty good after it cooked. And I put them in the pot when the dumpling half cook, because you know I put caramel in the dumpling, so I want my dumpling to cook real good. So then I put the banana in and I start getting my yam ready. So I peel the yam, which is white yam, and I cut it up, wash it off, cut it up, and put it in the pot. And that's it. I just let it cook, and then it just get ready to eat, and there you go. I'm all done. I cook my yam, banana, dumpling, and ackee and saltfish. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.